No warning, no time. This house just crumbled to nothing. One more second, and that car would have been part of the landslide. A second later, and that motorbike would have been buried alive.
Oh, man.
From home sweet home to pile of rubble in seconds. Spinning, flipping, and flying. This car just lost to the wind. Water doesn't negotiate. This bridge just got washed away. When dust fills the air and your only option is backwards. A casual badminton game in Taiwan turned to chaos as a massive earthquake struck. The ground shook, the roof cracked, and within seconds, debris rained down. Players dropped their rackets and ran for their lives as the building collapsed around them. The flood found a shortcut, straight through the balcony. Looks like the big bad wolf wasn't needed. This one collapsed on its own.
Oh my God!
When the lesson gets interrupted by Mother Nature's most powerful shake. Floodwaters show no mercy. This bridge in India is completely gone. Not exactly built for water, but this caravan is making it work. Barely. Seven buildings down, and the destruction keeps piling up. Haimachal's rains are relentless. The current was too strong. This bridge never stood a chance. The Fuego volcano in Guatemala erupts with terrifying force, sending thick plumes of smoke and ash into the sky. Panic spreads as people scramble to escape, running from the advancing danger. The ground shakes, the air fills with choking dust, and the sky darkens as molten rock threatens everything in its path. The bright green building stood out. Now it's disappearing in dust. A relentless flood turns the streets of Italy into raging rivers, swallowing everything in its path. Buses, cars, and motorbikes struggle against the rising water, but the current is too strong. A devastating scene of nature's fury, leaving destruction in its wake. Tourists came for the views but got a front row seat to destruction. People scramble for safety as the flood takes over, sweeping away everything in sight. In the heart of India, a once bustling street is now a raging river. The water will recede, the street will dry, but the scars of destruction will remain. Driving here? Not anymore. Landslide just claimed the whole lane. The dam tried to hold, but the water had other plans. This house was eye-catching. Now it's water-catching. Raw power on display, this tornado was caught in full fury. Mud, debris, and chaos crashing down like nature's wrecking ball. Crumbles behind him. No time to look back. Gravity just sent an unskippable reminder. What goes up must come down. And sometimes it takes half a mountain with it. A peaceful swim turns into a fight for survival as a massive earthquake strikes. The pool erupts into violent waves, tossing two swimmers like rag dolls. Desperately, they reach for the edge, fingers slipping against the wet tiles as the tremors intensify. The ground roars, the water churns, and panic sets in. Caught on camera, Nepal's 2015 earthquake turns a normal day into a desperate escape. Are built to connect, unless the water has other plans. Wheels useless, engines drowned, this road belongs to the water now. Earthquake versus street life. Pedestrians frozen, cyclists not so lucky. Nature's about to drop the mic. Spectators better be ready to run. An entire forest in motion. Trees tumbling like dominoes in a massive landslide. A brutal force of nature. This home stood no chance against India's relentless floodwaters. One moment, home sweet home. The next washed away like it was never there. Engines off, currents on, these cars just joined the floodwaters. Hold on tight, the wind isn't just blowing, it's launching stuff. This isn't a drill, that twister is way too close.
Stay in there, it's coming back.
An earthquake alarm can't beat pure survival instincts. Family first, always. Bike's gone, and now he's half submerged in the street.
Bati moto, porra. Tu é doido, cara que é muito louco, boy. Na moral, mesmo, olha só. Cara, vem que não dá.
In seconds, a peaceful neighborhood turns into a landslide's next victim.
रोड भी आ रहा है भाई रोड भी आ गया भाई
Like dominoes, these buildings collapse straight into the water. No time to react. The landslide just took the car for a ride.
Oh shit!
When the scaffolding decides it's quitting the job instantly. A slow-moving force of pure destruction, lava creeps through Hawaii, swallowing everything in its path. When the ocean says barrier, what barrier? Time to run! Pure power and beauty as the mountain crumbles into the waves. Mother Nature just installed a giant skylight, whether they wanted it or not. When the wind upgrades a trash bin to high-speed projectile mode. This Ferris wheel just unlocked free spin mode. No tickets required. No warning, no mercy. This house just gave up. Terrifying, mesmerizing, and absolutely unstoppable. 1 second covered, the next completely open-air living. Rising waters in India are relentlessly eating away at the riverbanks, pulling homes and structures into the current. What began as slow erosion has turned into a full-scale disaster, with entire buildings collapsing and vanishing beneath the waves.